To create a quote, go to the yellow plus button and click Create Quote to open the quote interface. There are 4 tabs in the quote interface: Properties, Line Items, Quote Info, and History. On the right-hand side are the Save, Preview Quote, and Build buttons. On the top left corner of the quote interface, you'll find the quote number. The number will become available as soon as you click Save. Properties has 3 sections: Quote Properties, Val-Co Customer, and Dealer's Customer. The quote name is a required field and it is shown on the quote as the job name. The Val-Co Customer displays your billing and shipping information. This information will only show up in the quote from Val-Co to you. You can click on the Val-Co Customer drop-down to change the info if your company has more than one account, or you can choose Prospect if you want to enter new account information. There are also drop-down boxes for Bill To and Ship To contacts. You can select another contact if available or choose Manual Entry to enter new information. You cannot change the customer info once you're in the order interface, so please make sure that the information is correct when you are doing the quote. Please note that both Manual Entry and Prospect both provide a one-time only solution. If you need the information to be permanently added to the system, please contact your Valco sales representative. The last section is Dealer's Customer. This is the information of your customer. If you have created a dealer customer from the Welcome screen, you should see the list from the drop-down box. To enter a customer, please pick Prospect. Again, the customer information you enter in Prospect is used for this quote only. If the customer is going to be a recurring customer, it is best to add it as a dealer's customer. After you are done with this page, click Line Item. The Line Item section is where you can add items or configurations to the quote. You can add configurations, saleable items, or other items to a quote. To add an item, click the Add Line Item drop-down and make your choice and select Go. We will go into more details on adding specific types of items in a separate video. For now, we will go to a quote that I have previously prepared. Once all the items are added, you can make changes to the quantity. You can change the order by using the up and down buttons. You can also apply discounts to the line items. When applying discounts, you need to add your company's discount to the line item. Your company's standard discount is shown here. You can add discounts in a couple ways. You can go through each line and add the discount to the customer discount column, or you can click Change All and enter a discount and click Apply. To add dealer markup, click Show Distributor Items and enter a percentage. Once everything is okay, click Quote Info. The special note will show on the quote between Valco and the dealer. This note section will show on the quote between the dealer and the dealer's customer. Select your Valco salesperson. You can enter your name or initials in the Prepared By field. This will be on the quote. You can enter your salesperson responsible for this quote's customer. Once you are done, click the Preview button to make sure everything is okay before you build the quote. When you preview for the first time, you might see a pop-up block icon here. Click on it and just choose Allow Pop-up for this website and click Preview Quote, and the quote will come up. The preview will always be the Valco to dealer quote. You will be able to see the dealer's customer quote once you build the quote. To build the quote, click the Build button. Wait until the blue line on the left-hand side under Quote Link is gone. WorX generates 2 documents every time. One is the Valco regular. The other is the dealer Valco quote. The Valco regular is the quote from Valco to the dealer. The dealer Valco quote is from the dealer to the dealer's customer. The Valco quote contains our terms and conditions, where the dealer quote does not. If you want WorX to generate a dealer quote with your company's terms and conditions, please send a copy to your Valco sales rep and we will add it to your quote template. After a final check, and if everything is good, right-click on the quote and save the document. Then you're ready to send the quote to the customer. Please note that all quotes and pricing are not finalized until they have been approved by Valco's customer service.